Alright folks, shitbox-Fox time. It's currently 6:58 p.m. Monday evening. I'm in my first of 4 airports. I'm going Kelowna to Vancouver, British Columbia, layover in Vancouver. Vancouver to Houston, layover in Houston. Houston to Austin. I get in tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. It's going to be a long night. I'm hoping I can sleep on the plane. Anyway, I'm trying not to look like too much of an asshole here talking to myself, even though I'm sitting in a bright yellow Adirondack chair. But nonetheless, the shitbox-Fox saga has officially started. We made her. Officially in Vancouver. I gotta go from one end of this airport to the other. And I got about 2.5 hours here, so whole beer's in order. All right, we're officially in Austin. Not much sleep was had last night. Having my coffee, Joe's coffee, and waiting for my Uber. They're pretty high tech to try to get out of this bloody airport. It's like a Vegas hotel. They don't show you where the exit is. I guess maybe to keep you in there, spend more money or something. Anyway, let's, oh, here's my ride. All right, guys, we're officially here. Gotta crawl through Chris's goddamn fence. Okay. Walk you guys down the driveway with me here. See where this old son of a gun is. A welcome party for me. Check out the corn. Let's see what we're getting ourselves into here. Weight reduction. Oh my God, guy.
Well, welcome to Texas. This works out because I have half that box from Ryan in the back of the truck because I'm like, man, I'm not trying to stuff all this shit in here.
Like, that is a serious amount of gear. Look at these bad boys.
Oh yeah, did you see these?
Oh my God. Are those from Matt?
They're from the boys, the Illinois.
Oh, right.
From Illinois. The
5 old boys from Illinois?
Yes, that's it. They actually corrected me, I said it wrong.
I think I did too. I mean,
check these out.
Holy.
I was thinking, you know,
custom.
Why don't we just go all out with the sound system?
You know what, like, I see where your head was at now. Like, it's rough, but it's just like beat up rough. Like, it's not, this thing's ready to fall apart rough.
Yeah, it's just like sitting. It's like the Lincoln.
Right.
You know, like, who wouldn't want to drive that?
Good point.
Oh, our underglow.
Oh, Tommy boy. Dude, those plates are awesome.
All formats.
Oh yeah, right. Geez, this thing's logoed to the nines.
Oh, you have to get the computer. It's a piece of work. Don't even know how it runs.
Oh my God.
the Phillips screws that's holding this thing together, hey?
Oh, it's like a Celine body kit.
Right.
Sorry, Molly.
Custom door panels. Let's see here. Holy Dinah.
The best part is, our key also fastens down the hood.
Nice. The old flat blade, eh?
Yeah, only like 3 of them work, I think. So yeah.
I can't believe this thing actually wanted to go. True testament, hey, to the small block Ford. Like, crazy.
And the thing is, the crazy part, like the radiator was low.
Look at the custom rad supports, eh?
Well, 4-cylinder one on this side. So let's see here. I'll see the custom horn.
Oh my god.
It had like its own button underneath the
to pass inspection.
Oh, it is. No, there's some in there. It was way lower when I got it, but yeah, I feel like some of the leaks that it had have gone away, probably from use.
Right.
Well,
just
driving.
swelled up the gaskets and
Yeah. Yeah, like even I think this was. Oh, it is low. That might have been a leak. Anyways. Well, should we put the hood on?
yeah.
Check the oil. Look.
Ooh, clean.
Oh,
you
yeah.
changed it, didn't
Yeah,
you?
I did. Plugs.
She got a full-fledged tune-up.
You want to put it on the... Oh, I had it on the soft setting.
We're gonna put her on hard. Oh, and you only got the one side.
Yeah, just one side. That's why it's up on this side a little bit, because I didn't even mess with it. I'm like, you know what? I gotta stop messing with this thing so you can get some of the fucking ground.
Get a feel for it. See if the old girl wants to talk to us.
Oh, you can get a good idea of the hood now. See if it looks better in person.
You know what? Yeah. Like just a slight amount. It's almost one of those things that if nobody pointed it out, I bet you 50% of the people would walk by and not even notice.
Right.
The one piece I think will pull them in. And then maybe go looking for something else that's different.
Yeah, I've got the one, I don't know if you can see like the reflection of the actual yellow bulb in there.
Oh yeah.
Nice,
Matches the fogs.
Yeah.
Oh
All right.
boy, she's a gem.
We are gonna have to do something about the fastener situation because only got a few. I don't think this window goes down.
Oh really? This is gonna be a hot ride. Well, let's see if she wants to go, I guess.
Oh, I'll take this. All right, sorry, Adam.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, we gotta do some repairs. He knew it was gonna happen. I'm surprised that it was actually the back and not the front.
Right.
So, let me get my camera.
Okay.
You can try it. It does the reverse of heat soak. It's bad the first time, then once it's going.
She's good.
Fucking hell, man, need the goddamn.
We got nothing. Okay, let's not burn the fuel pump out of her.
I think you're good.
Oh yeah? Okay. Let me get my key again. Come on, girl.
No, it's not doing it. Oh, man, I have to pop the hood open.
Shitbox-Fox problems.
Yeah, there's some, I think, background or something, because as soon as you hook shit up in the front, she flies.
What is the battery in the back?
Yeah. It's a race car, man.
Well, what are you hooking up in the front then?
To the solenoid.
Oh,
Just straight on.
I'm like, is this thing got dual batteries?
What Wouldn't that be sweet?
Might need them.
Oh no, the hood keeps the fucking headlights on, so hold on here.
Oh my god. Oh, it's hotter than a snake's ass in a wagon rut in here.
Okay, try it.
All right. Oh, you got my key. All right, here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Well, here, I'll let you put that away, buddy. I can screw it up now.
I'll bring this just in case. Fuck, I wish this window worked, but...
Should we go live? Unreal.